cirrhosis. And it's not always easy to get the calcium we need from our bodies to reduce that risk. Fortunately, there's Caltrate. As we get older, our bodies steal calcium from our bones. Calcium will replenish the calcium we lose with 1,200 milligrams of calcium and advanced levels of vitamin D to help reduce your risk of osteoporosis. It's never too early or too late for Caltrate. And now, big news. Caltrate comes in a new, smaller, easy-to-swallow pill.
Instead of hearing the sounds, you may have a hearing problem. I can help you. My name is Roy.